So this clump of craziness right here is catmint, and last year I showed you how to prune it all the way down to the ground so that there was nothing brown left, but today I'm just going to shear it to see how different it looks later in the season. You want to just clean up the leaves, and I'm just going to use these. All these stems are dead. So much easier. Oh, and there's new growth down here. Done. Look at all that cute, fresh purple growth. So even though it's faster, you can tell that if you shear, you're leaving all these little sticks. You can pick out the leaves if you'd like. But again, these little stems are going to grow beyond all of this. So it's up to you what you would like to do. If you're okay with this look for a couple weeks or so, then leave it like this. Soon you'll have like a 2.5 by 3 foot whimsical mound.